Hello students, the next topic we'll be discussing is HTML paragraphs. So HTML paragraphs are defined with the help of the p tag. So whenever you want n number of paragraphs in your web page, you can make use of this p element anytime you want, any number of times you want. Okay, so for example, you can see here p tag is here and the content written is this is a paragraph, and another p element is being used and that is known as this is another paragraph. Okay, so we'll write a document making use of p elements. So how to write a HTML document? So make use of notepad. Okay, make use of notepad and start with the doc type element, exclamatory doc type. As you're writing an HTML document, write down HTML, close this element, then make use of HTML element, and we will most often make use of body element. Okay, we'll not make use of head element because the visible part in the web page is always in the body element. Okay, so most often we'll make use of body element. Then we'll make use of some headings. Write down example for p sorry example for p tags. Okay, close the heading, then you'll use the p element, write some content. This is a paragraph. Okay, then slash p, next write down p, this is another paragraph slash p. Okay, then close the heading, not heading, close the body element, and then close the HTML element. Okay, then now we will save it. File, save. I'll write it as 1, and I'm saving the programs in a folder known as web programs, and it is in a desktop. Every HTML file extension should be either HTML, HTML or HTML. Okay, save it. Then we'll go back to the folder. I have created that folder in desktop and that folder name is web programs. Double click on it, then double click on the file 1. So this is the web page and the heading we had used is example for p tags, and we have two paragraphs here. The paragraph is this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. So this is how you make use of p elements. P elements will help to create paragraphs onto your web page. Okay, so let us see the next concept. The next concept is HTML links. Okay, HTML link means from one web page, if you in one web page, if you're specifying a link, you can go on to the other web page. That web page's link you have to provide in an HTML element. Okay, you can go to from one web page, you can go to Facebook or you can go to Twitter or any other link you can go to. Okay, so HTML links are defined with the a tag. Okay, like how p tags help us to create paragraphs, a tags will help us to go from one web page to another web page. That means you can go from one link to another link. For example, how to make use of this a tag? Write the a tag here or the a element, and along with the a element, you have to make use of an attribute. Okay, so what is an attribute? Attribute are usually used with HTML elements, and they provide extra information about those elements. For example, a tags will help us to go to a different link, but to which link? That link's address is given as value to this attribute. Okay, the syntax of writing an attribute is here attribute is href. Okay, so the syntax of writing an attribute is attribute name is equals to value. Okay, and the value should be in double quotes. Here the attribute is href is equals to value is a link. That means they have gone to one link known as W3 schools. Okay, that link, destination link, you have to specify it in double quotes. Okay, then we will write, just close the start tag of a element, then you write some content. Okay, saying that this is a link. then you close this content. Now what will happen is, this content which is there, or this text which is there, this is a link. It will look like a hyperlink. It will not look like a normal text like this is a paragraph and all. It will look like a hyperlink. We'll just see that in the example. Let's see what they have to say about it. The link's destination is specified in the href attribute. That means using the href attribute, you can go from one link to another link, and that link's destination, you have to give it as value to the attribute. Okay, so attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. Okay, so in the next classes, we'll be studying different types of attributes. So one example of attribute we have seen here is href. Okay, so let us see how to write a document, HTML document, making use of href attribute, and we will run and execute it. Okay, so go to Notepad. Okay, take a new document. Again, come back to the initial elements, doc type, HTML. Okay, then next make use of HTML element, then make use of body element. Okay, and in body element you write it as h1 write example of a tags. Okay, close the h1. Okay, next write the a tag. Okay, write the h reference attribute equals to double quotes, write the entire link name, https colon double slash www dot facebook.com. Okay, close the double quotes. Value should always be in double quotes. Okay, and then you close the start tag of the a element. Then write some text saying that this is a link. Then you'll close the a tag. Okay, then close all the other remaining tags. Which all tags you have to close? Body, and then close the HTML tag. Okay, now we will save and run this. Save. I will save it as 2.html. Okay, 2.html. Now I'll go back to desktop. Here we have this folder 2. Double click on it. See here, the heading here is example of a tags, or example of a tag. Then see, this does not look like a normal link, it looks like a hyperlink. So click on this. After clicking on this, you will see that your web page is moved to facebook.com. That means your link has gone to facebook.com. Okay, so what happens if we do not give this text? Okay, if I do not give this text and just I make use of the A element, I will save this. Okay, I will save this and I'll go back to the program. Okay, to double click on it, you can see here that text is not being appeared. Okay, so it is compulsory that you use some text along with the a tag. Okay, so we'll edit this. We'll write here, this is a link to Facebook. Okay, this is a link to Facebook. I will save it. Okay, so here already that 2.html is there. I'll just refresh it. Okay, so you can see that it is back. So this is a link to Facebook. If I click on it, it will go to Facebook. Okay, so hope you all have understood what is the use of a tag. A tag will help us to move on to a link, but make sure that a tag is used with an attribute, and that attribute is href. And what is the syntax of writing an attribute? Attribute is equals to, attribute name is equals to value, and value should always be in double quotes. And here the value for h reference should not be any number or any text or something. It should always be a link. Link destination link address should be given as a value to h reference.